बिहार के कायनात की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सफलता, लखनऊ सम्मेलन में दूसरा व तीसरा स्थान प्राप्त। सिटी मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल लखनऊ में आयोजित 3 दिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्राचार्य सम्मेलन में भारत सहित अमेरिका, ब्रिटेन, नेपाल और मॉरिशस से आए शिक्षाविदों और शैक्षणिक नेताओं ने भाग लिया। स्कूल नेतृत्व का अतीत, वर्तमान और भविष्य विषय पर आधारित यह सम्मेलन वैश्विक शैक्षणिक प्रवृत्तियों और छात्रों के समग्र विकास पर केंद्रित रहा। कायनात इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने ग्रामीण शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अपने नवाचारों और उपलब्धियों का प्रतिनिधित्व किया। संस्थापक अध्यक्ष शकील अहमद काकवी के नेतृत्व मसरूर हसन और शर्जिल अहमद काकवी की टीम ने 2 प्रमुख प्रतियोगिताओं में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करते हुए पारंपरिक और आधुनिक शिक्षा के बीच की खाई को पाटना विषय पर पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में दूसरा स्थान और शिक्षा द्वारा पीढ़ी का परिवर्तन विषय पर केस स्टडी में तीसरा स्थान प्राप्त किया। इस अवसर पर शकील काकवी ने कहा, समाज शिक्षक को राष्ट्र निर्माता के रूप में देखता है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि नई पीढ़ी को गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा और नैतिक मूल्यों से संस्कारित करें। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, बिहार दर्शन।
That's also that you hear and see the sound and sights of growth. I very firmly believe that, and children always look for opportunities to speak, and we should give them those opportunities to speak in the classrooms.
That's a wonderful answer, ma'am. But for that, I think the session should be more for the honor of the school, for the management, and for the traditional teachers, and particularly the principal. They should bear and they should feel very convenient with this change, because world is changing.
Absolutely.
And because they put a pressure on the teacher, if you're doing this activity in the classroom, very next moment one memo will be ready. Please change your behavior, otherwise change your school. Thank you.
So the perspectives will change when they see the outcome, be it anybody.
So like we have right now is a very open dialogue, honest dialogue, as Manisha ma'am quoted, but it is very respectful. We are listening to each other, we are understanding what the other person is trying to say, and that is exactly how GP classes go. So it is very respectful dialogue.
Thorough and thoughtful presentation. The third prize goes to the Kainat International School from Kainat Nagar. May I please call upon Mr. Sharjeel Ahmed Kakwi to receive the award. The third prize backed by Kainat International School, Kainat Nagar. Congratulations, sir. I'm told that was a very thoughtful case study. The second prize in the case study category goes to Shri Janta. Position in the PowerPoint presentation category goes to Kainat International School, Kainat Nagar, Mr. Sharjeel Ahmed Kakwi. You are requested on stage to accept the award for the second position in the PowerPoint presentation category. We have our happy bunch of principals giving away the certificate and the trophy. Congratulations to Kainat International School, Kainat Nagar. Kainat International School, Kainat Nagar. Christu Jyoti Convent Senior Secondary School, Barot. Christu Jyoti Convent Senior Secondary School, Barot. Nandi School, Ballari, Karnataka. Nandi School, Ballari, Karnataka. Karthi Vidyalaya Institution.
Can we have them on the screen?
While they are trying to get the question on screen, we can have Sir speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you very much for this wonderful enlightening session. And basically, I would like to share the one chair for our great leader, That's none other than Jagdish Gandhi sir, whose life has put deep impact on my life and my institution. सूरज हूँ जिंदगी की रमक छोड़ जाऊंगा, सूरज हूँ जिंदगी की रमक छोड़ जाऊंगा, डूब भी गया तो तेरे लिए शफक छोड़ जाऊंगा. With this share, I would like to just conclude that once when I met Jagdish Gandhi sir, then I talked about underprivileged and marginalized educationally backward communities. Then he shared a lot of ideas. Out of this, when we started, then I picked up a group of the students and I went to my village and I started surveying. They reached to the community people where they are the daily wage worker, and they asked, why not you are sending your kids to school? And they asked, what is what? Then education. After education, what they will do? Now these days they are going to work, they are earning 10 rupees per day, so minimum they can work out something. So if they are going to a school, then I have to spend the money which I don't have. And a part of this, if they are going to a school, then after getting education, what will I do? Then there was no perfect answer with those who are going to motivate them because they were not trained well. Then suddenly they told कि कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि जब आप मजदूरी करते हैं और आपकी मजदूरी गवर्नमेंट ने फिक्स किया हुआ है, मान लीजिए कि 100 रुपये है और वो आपको सिर्फ 50 रुपये देते हैं, 100 रुपये पे आपको अंगूठा लगवा देते हैं. तो ये जानकारी आप थोड़ी देर पॉज के बाद बहुत प्यारी सी बात उसने कहा कि बेटे आप ये बताइए कि जो लोग हमसे 100 रुपये के बदले 50 रुपये देके 100 रुपये पे अंगूठा लगवाते हैं, वो पढ़े लिखे हैं या जाहिल हैं? अगर वो पढ़े लिखे हैं, पढ़ लिख करके मेरी मजदूरी मार करके वो खुश हैं, तो मैं अनपढ़ अपनी मजदूरी दे के बहुत खुश हूँ, इससे मुझे नहीं पढ़ना. ये उनका जवाब था. और इस जवाब का जो ढूंढने का जो आंसर था, बहुत ज़माने से मैं भी ढूंढ रहा था, बहुत सारी कोशिशें मैंने भी की. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई वाज लिसनिंग टुडे अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम, ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज क्वाइट इंस्पायरिंग. But the problem is that normally we used to introduce the moral education, ethical education, and so many education, the words which we are. But the way it was changed to the youth empowerment program, of course it will help. But the issues and problems are there when we are going to educate the young children or mediator or facilitator, whatever. They should be well trained, as Geeta ma'am mentioned widely, like what we are doing and what we are saying. There's a conflict. So that conflict should be well managed before going to give any education or moral education to students. So I have a request, one, the 3 books which you have shown. Is it any possibilities to get these books available? This is number 1. Number 2, to start this program back to Bihar in my school as far as the Kainat Mission School. So our young children are very enthusiastic, motivated, especially by attending the program in CMS events. So is it possible to get a training program for these kids? There's a 2 option I have. This depending on the Geeta ma'am to decide. One is invite the student here and let them stay and get the training properly, or to send your facilitator or the in charge of the guides, those who can go to sit with them and stay minimum 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, whatever the thing. So accommodation, hospitality, and their other parts will be taken care by our school. But if it can be started quickly, that will be the much more better. This is the 2 things which we have. And third thing, as we all are here, the principals, teachers, we are the people, those who are going to shape the nation. Because young children are given to me. This very emotional moment happens when the nursery students, just go and imagine the first day when they are coming to a school, and the moms, they are handing over to the teachers, and the child is crying a lot. No mama, no mama, no mama. But still mom having this strong decision, you are in safer hand. Today also, the full nation having the full faith on teachers. A mother who had very emotionally attached with the kids, and she is feeling you are more safer, you can become the more greater in teacher's hand rather than to a state. So we have a lot of responsibilities. So the way it was told, if all the participants, if they can take this as a role model and just let us start and bring the change in this world, that will be great. And because न जी भर के देखा न कुछ बात की, बड़ी आरज़ू थी मुलाकात की। अभी तो लग रहा है कि अभी अभी तो शुरुआत ही हुई थी कॉन्फ्रेंस की, और ऐसा लगता है कि अब थोड़ी देर के बाद कर्टन गिरने वाला है और हम मिलना था इत्तेफाक, बिछड़ना नसीब था, उतनी दूर हो गया जितना करीब था। तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस को और थोड़ा लंबा होना चाहिए था, लेकिन कितना लंबा वो तो मुझे पता नहीं है। बस मेरी एक और गुजारिश है कि जय जगत का जो नारा है, एक नारा नहीं है, एक थॉट्स है, ये सिर्फ एक सोच नहीं है, एक मोमेंट है। इसको हमें पूरे हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बल्कि मुल्क से बाहर ले जाना चाहिए, और हर जगह पे इसके एक बीच को होना चाहिए। मैंने अपने स्कूल में गांधी जी के नाम से एक हॉल किया हुआ है, डॉक्टर जगदीश गांधी हॉल। मैं आप सबों को गुजारिश करता हूँ, आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल, प्लीज़ कम ऑन 10th November, because that day, Gandhi ji birthday, in his lifetime, we had declared as the day of the unity and science education for prosperity of the world. That day we celebrate every year, so you all are invited there. A part of this, I request to all the principals and the managers, we are writing to the Government of India to give the Padam Shri of Padam Bhushan to Gandhi ji for his work. At the end, सिर्फ मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि मेरा तो आज़म था कि हवाओं में जलाएंगे चिराग, मेरा तो आज़म था कि हवाओं में जलाएंगे चिराग, उन्हें ये जिद है कि उजाला नहीं होने देंगे। उस उजाले, उस अंधेरे की रोशनी में यू आर द बेस्ट एंड यंग मोटिवेटर जो प्रोग्राम्स है, और उसमें ऑल द पैनलिस्ट, आई सैल्यूट यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for those very, very motivating and encouraging words for the institution, for the founders.